Just clean this nozzle. Wash it and wait for it to dry. Then the words in this cash jar. It has ink. You screw this tube off. Then change it first. The single port is facing down, double mouth facing up. Unscrew this connector for it. Let it drain the remaining ink inside. Wait for it to flow clean. Then wash these holes with a cleaning agent. Just wash it off. Wash the ink. Remember, don't wash it to the ink. Find the bottle for ink. Looking for an empty bottle. Pack it up again. And then, now. Clean it up. Cleaned up. If you wash the buffet, after unscrewing this nut into these holes, turn it where there is ink. Clean it up. This filter needs to be replaced after a long time. This is just for new machines, not long ago. If you want to put ink or drain the ink washing machine, clean, store, if not in use. You can do it like this. If the machine takes a long time, it has these filters in these machines, including these cash jars will age. These are some worn parts. It needs to be replaced regularly. Then wash it clean. Wash the inside. Screw this out. It is also necessary to put the liquid in it. Find an empty bottle and pour it out. Pour clean. Also find an empty bottle for this ink. Find another empty bottle and pour it out. Then wash it with this detergent. That's it. Wash inside. Just wash off the residual ink. What about cleaning these pipes like detergent? Cleaning agent, so the white one is clean. And then the ink comes out. This jar needs to be cleaned. There's a filter element. This filter should also be cleaned. After washing, you can put these things back in place. This cash jar. Screw the screw back on it. So the cleaning is done. Just wash the nozzle here. Then the lid can also be put back. Then after washing, remember this, if these are turned off, remember to take it back.